This is how the streets of Sonapur look every evening. The area is jam-packed with traffic because of narrow roads and lack of signals or junctions. To make matters worse, it is pitch dark. Only vehicle headlights brighten up the place.
Street light is very important from here because most population here because the road also very small. You must be the street light is very important.
यहाँ पे कोई भी लाइट नहीं है.
There is no street light here and hardly any facilities are available for the people living here. There is always a traffic jam in every area because of this. It takes almost 2 hours for people to move in and out of this place at peak traffic hours. This is a big problem for the people living here. It's very difficult.
सुबह के टाइम अंदर जाने के लिए 2 घंटा मांगता है और बाहर जाने के लिए 2 घंटा मांगता है.
It's not just Sonapur. Residents of areas like Muhaisana and Mirdif are also facing inconveniences daily because of a lack of street lights on the internal roads.
There's a very good location for the buildings, but there's no street lights. A couple of months because there is too much traffic. There are schools, children they will coming now. They were looking for these are building or honor for government buildings. They will fix it properly for the street lights.
Despite the rapid increase in the infrastructure of Dubai, there are areas that still do not have street lights. Some of these places have been established residential colonies for years. Officials say the issue will be resolved over time.
It's already been implemented in some areas. As soon as they finish from the areas they're working on it, they will move to the next projects. It's a huge project to be implementing with lightings, with gardening, everything, the whole city.
Here at this junction in Sonapur, residents are not just being delayed but are also at the risk of facing accidents every day because of this chaos. While authorities say they will surely resolve the situation, it will be a daily struggle for the residents of this area until they finally get street lights. Japinder Kaur, City 7 News.